Welcome to video 2. Just to get things going a little bit, I've kind of started us off a little bit. Alright, so we are finding absolute extrema on an open interval. That's going to involve limits. I just took the x squared minus x and I factored out an x, so I had x times x minus 1. That way when I'm checking as we approach 0 from the right side, well, if I plug that in, I'm going to get a positive value here. I'm going to get a negative value here, so that's going to give me a negative. And as I'm getting closer and closer to 0, this value is getting smaller and smaller. So 1 over a very, very small number, when you flip and multiply, it's going to give you a very big number. So we're going to be negative infinity. Okay, well when I go from 1 on the left side, same process. I'm going to get a negative number. This is going to continue to get very, very small on the bottom, which means your fraction is going to get very, very big. So we're going to negative infinity on both. So we can say we will not know absolute min. There will be an absolute max. There will be an absolute max. So I find the derivative. You can do the quotient rule, or you can bring it up and use a chain rule. So you could do x squared minus x to the negative first power and do your derivative that way. Either way, you're going to come up with the same thing. Your critical points, I came from the bottom and from the top where they both equaled 0. Well, 0 and 1, those aren't in your interval. Notice you've got parentheses, not brackets. So 1/2 is your only honest to goodness critical point in that interval. So automatically, that's our man. So we'll write absolute max. We're going to put that 1/2 in, plug that into the original. If I plug 1/2 into the original, I should get -4. Okay, so that would be our absolute max. Our second example for you, we are looking at negative infinity, positive infinity again. So I am going to do my limit as x approaches negative infinity. I'm going to write it out. Now you can write it out all like this, but you are also more than welcome to write your limit and refer to the function by name. It's up to you, whichever way you want to do it. Just make sure you're not leaving naked limits. You've got to have something in there. It can't be empty. Like my stomach, there's got to be something in it. All right, so negative infinity, positive infinity, you're going to check your highest powered term. So we are going to check this. Well, if I put a negative number in there, a negative number to the 5th power is still negative, times 3, still negative. So this is going to negative infinity. Well, if I check that same highest powered term out, I'm still looking at 3x to the 5th. If I put positive infinity in there, well, a positive number to the 5th power is positive, times 3 is still positive. Oh my goodness, we've hit the mother lode. We are going from negative infinity on one side, positive infinity on the other side. That, my friend, means there is no relative. Okay, now back up, because we're talking about absolutes here. No absolute. And we can just say extrema. If you want to, you can say absolute mins, absolute maxes, but you can just get it all done with extrema. So if you're going to positive infinity on one side, negative infinity on the other side, you do not have any absolute extrema. So yay! That concludes our 3-7 video 2.